Okay, so another class of a chemical reaction is the oxidation reduction or redox reaction. Okay, we will be balancing oxidation reduction equations. And we have two methods. The first one is the change in oxidation number method. Diagram here. You can see the process that occurs in a redox reaction. You have a species that loses electron and also another species that gains electron. So if your species lost an electron or loses an electron, it is called an oxidation process. And if it gains electron, it is called reduction. Here you have, as you can see, this is your oxidation number. Okay, so for your species that lost an electron, it increases. So from 0 to +1. And then for your species that gains an electron, okay, it decreases. So you have from 0 to -1. So kaganina, okay, ni-increase no sa oxidation process ang imuhang oxidation number. Then you have the oxidation number decreases for your reduction process. So from A to B, you have electrons that is lost by A and gained by B. So we note that if we have a redox reaction, it involves a change in oxidation number of your atoms. Okay, the oxidation numbers are charges assigned to the atoms of a compound according to arbitrary rules, which take into account bond polarity. So you have, these are the rules, okay, that we use in assigning oxidation numbers. For uncombined atoms such as your sodium, okay, any uncombined atom that you will see later on, Fe, Mg, S, and so on, okay, diretso or automatically the oxidation number is 0. And for the diatomic molecules such as H2, okay, automatic that your oxidation number is also 0. So the oxidation number of F, which is your most electronegative element, is -1. Okay. We take note that F is our most electronegative element. It is automatically given an oxidation number of -1. And the third is that oxygen-containing compounds have oxidation number of -2. So our metallic oxides, they are examples of oxygen-containing compounds. Oxygen is automatically given an oxidation number of -2. In inorganic acids, the hydrogen has or is automatically our cation. So also automatically hydrogen is given a +1 oxidation number in all its compounds. So the sum of the oxidation numbers of all the atoms in a compound is 0 since compounds are electrically neutral. So, okay, for polyatomic ions class, the sum is the charge of your polyatomic ion. Okay, naaman siya charge, so the sum of your oxidation numbers, okay, will be the charge of your ion. Okay, and you take note also that if you have a monatomic ion, the oxidation number will be the charge of your monatomic ion. Okay, so in this activity, you will learn to balance redox equations by the valence change or the change in oxidation number method. So let us balance the following equation here. Okay, so if you look at the first step actually is we evaluate the oxidation numbers of your all your species. Okay, so unsa man ang oxidation number nato sa chromium?
3 plus, ma'am.
Okay, so in order to make the sum equal to 0, so since this is 2 minus here, so this is plus 3. Okay, so then the next one, you have what is the oxidation number of carbon? Since we know already na 2 minus an oxygen and sodium is plus 1. Okay, katong na belong sa imuhang at group 1A elements under your hydrogen. Okay, hydrogen has a plus 1 oxidation number. So, katupong uban na elements dito also have plus 1. Okay, normally na oxidation number. Okay, so what is the answer?
Plus 3 gihapon, ma'am.
For carbon, it is, check, this is 2 minus here, so 6 minus plus 2, so negative 4. So your carbon should have plus
4, ma'am.
okay, plus 4. Okay, so the other one, okay, automatically this is 2 minus for oxygen, then plus 1 for potassium. Your nitrogen has a
Plus 5, ma'am.
okay, very good. So next one you have, okay, automatically no, this is 2 minus here, 1 plus, so chromium has an oxidation number of
6 plus, ma'am.
okay, so you have 6 plus. Okay, so for this one, okay, direction ano, this is negative 2, then plus 4, and here you have negative 2 for your oxygen, so negative 4 overall, plus 1, so
Plus 3.
nitrogen, okay, very good. Then we determine which species undergoes oxidation and which undergoes reduction, and we connect with a bridge. Okay. These are your oxidation numbers that you have determined or evaluated for step 1. Okay, the oxidation number that change is for chromium, which is from plus 3 to plus 6. Okay, so ato silang i-connect ana. Then you have for your haman ang nag-change, ang carbon wala nag-change. Ang uban, ang sodium wala pod. Okay, so ang nag-change ang nitrogen. Okay, so it's from plus 5 to plus 3 here. Then you count the number of electrons lost and gained. So if you have an increase in oxidation number, you have loss of electrons, okay, because electron is a negative species or a negative particle. So if you lost a negative particle, you increase, okay, in your oxidation number. So here you have 3 electrons lost. Here you have, okay, gamay ang imong oxidation number, you have 2 electrons. Okay, gamay siya, so nagka more negative. So therefore you gained electrons. Okay, since electrons are negative particles, so you have 2 electrons gained. Then you multiply with an appropriate coefficient class in order to equalize, okay, the number of electrons lost and electrons gained. So here you have, we multiply by 2, so ato pud siyang butangan og 2 ang ato ang compound. So and ato ang formula. Okay, so we also place 2 in front of our formula nga ato ang or na nag-change. Diri wala na nato butangi og 2. Why? Because naa naman kay 2 sa imuhang formula for chromium. Kay 1 raman to atong i-calculate initially, class. Then if you multiply by 2, so diretso na siya. Okay, dili na nato dungagan og 2. So now we have na multiply or ato na siyang na after we multiplied by 2, kanina pong pikas ang ato ang i-equalize so that you will have number of electrons na pareho. So is 6 man nato, 6 man ang ato ang number of electrons na gusto, no? Kay mao man ang ato ang pwedeng ma-multiply. So because you have 3 and 2, so you can multiply by 2 and 3, so you can have a total of 6 electrons lost and 6 electrons gained. Okay, so if you look at now, this is our balance equation. Okay, gikan ta diri mao ni ang nag-change, so we added 2. So kani pod we added or we placed the coefficients in front of our formulas. So what about kani duha? Okay, so we had balanced this by inspection lang. Kay after you added 2 here, so your sodium will now will be 4 on this side. So if you add 2 na coefficient on this side here, so you will have 4 also na sodium, and then kailangan na pud ka mag-add og 2 diri so that you will have also 4 carbon atoms na ma-equalize sila sa reactants and sa product side. Okay, so on that example, your Cr2O3 is the substance that undergoes oxidation, so therefore it is your reductant or your reducing agent, while the substance that undergoes reduction is your oxidant or oxidizing agent. So for example, you have this one here. So we determine the reducing agent, which is your substance oxidized, and also the oxidizing agent, which is your substance reduced. Okay, so if you check later, so you will see that your sulfur atom from here to here, okay, nag-change ang imuhang or nag-decrease, no? Nag-increase ang imuhang oxidation number. So it undergoes oxidation. So this is your reducing agent. Kani siya tanan class is your reducing agent. So from here to here, your I2, okay, undergoes reduction process. Ni gamay ang iyahang oxidation number, so it is your oxidant or your oxidizing agent, as well as also for this example here. Okay, so any questions so far on the first method, which is the change in oxidation number method?
None so far.
Okay, so nakuha na class. I'm not fast enough. Okay, murag review naman siguro ni sa inyong high school. Am I correct?
I don't know.
Oh, okay. So now we go to another method, which is the ion electron method. Okay, so we balance in acidic or basic medium. Okay, in this method, in our next method. So if it says that balance in acidic medium, so you have or you are in an acidic environment. Okay, so for this example here, okay, MnO4 minus plus I minus. 2Mn2 plus I2. If you determine the oxidation numbers, you will see that Mn has an oxidation number of +7. Then you have -1 for this. Nasayop niya siya. Okay, so you have from here you have +2. So +7 to +2. Okay, you have reduction process. Then from -1 to 0, you have an oxidation process. I-cut rin ako sa internet class and naasiyay error gamay sa iyang paan. Okay, so if you write the half reactions, asa man ang nag-undergo of oxidation ato, katong na ay increase in oxidation number, and the one that undergoes reduction, so for your Mn, okay, because you have decrease in oxidation number. So the first one is you write the step 1 is you write the half reactions. Then you balance atomically in the order, okay, such that first one, you balance the atoms other than hydrogen and oxygens first. So you write 2 here because you have 2 i's on the right side, and on the left side you should have 2 i's also, okay? And for this one, balance na ang imuhang atom other than hydrogen and oxygen. So then you balance oxygens by adding water, okay, with the appropriate coefficient, and your hydrogens by adding H plus with the appropriate coefficient. So here, since you have 4 oxygens, we will add 4 water on the right side. Okay? So after we add 4 H2O on this side, this diri na pod ang hydrogen na pod ang wala na balance, so atong dungagan on the left side of 8H plus. Then you examine the charge on both sides of the half reaction. So i-balance nato ang charges by adding electrons. Okay, so you have to add 2 electrons on this side. So here you have initially -1 plus 8, so that is +7, but here you just have +2. So if we add +5 electrons on this side, so we will now have a total of +2 na charge on the left side, and also +2 charge on the right side. So step 4, you multiply each entire half reaction then by the lowest factor to equalize the number of electrons lost and gained. So unsa may maka-equalize na factors class? So we have 5 and 2. So we then multiply everything here on your first equation with 5, and so that we will now have 10I minus 5I2 plus 10 electrons. Then sa second equation, we multiply everything by 2. So now we will have 2MnO4 minus plus 16H plus K plus 10 electrons to 2Mn plus 2 plus 8H2O. So the electrons have now been equalized and they can be cancelled. So now we are left with these equations here. So we obtain the net redox equation by combining the half equations. Then simplify. So cancel species that are found in both sides of the equation. Then check by inspection. So tanan nga naa sa left side, we write here. And tanan nga naa sa right side, we also write down. So the final balance equation will now be, okay, kanino, human naman nato na balance ang electrons. So, na-balance na po nato ang charges. Okay, so hopefully we now have a final balance equation. So, we check first. So, you have 10I on the left side. So, sa PCAS, you also have 10. So, Mn, 2. You also have 2. Okay, hydrogen, 16. Also, 16 here. Oxygen, so you have 8. Also have 8 here. How about the charge? So you have negative 10 minus 2 is negative 8 plus 16. So that is, am I correct? So you have, okay, negative 12. Okay, so plus 16, it is plus 4. So on this side, the charge is also plus 4. Okay. So how about if you balance in basic or alkaline medium? Okay, so see for example, you have this equation here. So the first one is evaluate lang gihapon nato ang oxidation numbers. Then we determine, we write, okay, after we determine the oxidation and reduction equations or reactions. So we write the two half equations here, no? So then the step 2, balance the atoms other than hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, so you balance naman ang atoms, your sulfur balance. So ang iodine lang atong i-balance. Okay, then you balance oxygens by adding water and hydrogens by adding H+. So, kaniman ang ay kailangan na to i-balance ang oxygen plus. So, you have 4H2O, you write here. Then, you have ang hydrogen na pod ang dili balance. So, we add now 8H+ in order to balance the hydrogens. Then you examine the charge on both sides so that you can add the correct number of electrons. Okay, so here you add 8 electrons para ma-equalize ang charge na negative 2 sa PCAS. So diri magdungat ta og 8 electrons kay naamang kay additional nga 8 plus na charge. Okay, so here you add 2 electrons so that na-equalize ang negative 2 nga charge on the right side. Then you multiply the entire half reaction by the lowest factor to equalize the number of electrons lost and gained. Okay, so after na nimo to siya na-distribute ang imuhang factor, na-multiply na nimo sa imuhang mga species in your equation. So you then write everything sa left side, write down, okay, and write down everything sa right side. Then you have now your equation. If in acidic medium class, we end here, but in basic medium, we have to add additional species. Okay, so we add OH minus, the same number as your H plus. Okay, so since you have 8H plus, we add 8OH minus on both sides of your equation. Okay, so here you have 8H plus plus 8OH minus, so this is equated or equivalent to 8H2O. Okay, and since you have 4H2O on the left side, cancel ni siya with your 8H2O so that you will have now 4H2O left, okay, on this side. So this is now your final balanced equation here. So if you check, okay, you have how many sulfur atoms? So you have 1 on the left side and also 1 on the right side. How about oxygen? You have 8. This one you also have 8. Okay. How about your hydrogens? You have 8, okay, on the left side and 8 also on the right side. Then iodine, you have 8 on the left side and 8 also on the right side. How about the charge? You also have to check. So you have negative 10 on the left side and negative 10 also on the right side. So, any questions? Do the drills in the activity sheets that I have posted in Mole. If you have no more questions. Okay, wala may reklamo class kung paspas murag paspas ra ko, nagets ra gihapon ninyo.
Yes, ma'am. Gets naman kayo.
Yes, ma'am.
Ito na siya sa previous na mga keb.
Okay, very good. So, how about your VLab software? Okay, but murag sa project na to na ako class, kung ang ubang sections dili sila mag-require of VLab, ako mag-require ko for you. And for the activity so far, pwede raman siya wala sa VLab katong next 2 activities.
Okay pa, ma'am.
Okay, so kato lang siguro class, and if you have no more questions, so see you next time.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay.
Pag ako, para sa itong bilag, ma'am. Wala man dito sa meeting.
Okay. So, I will post sa GC class katong how to download or a link to download VLab. So, you will download it in your PCs. Okay. So, i-download to siya sa inyong PC for your maybe project kung dili siya activity, but I'm requiring it ng good. So, ako na lang i-post. And also, I have a video on how to use it. So, ako na lang kung i-post na lang sa ato ang group chat. Okay?
Excuse me, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Okay, Shaq?
Ang katong sa kan, ma'am, basta katong filtration, ma'am. Mag-ask lang ko ato, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, sa katong filtration process, okay, that is also a requirement na ako ang require sa inyo, ha? Okay, we will make a video on that one. Okay, so have I given the link sa katong video on the filtration sa
Yan pa, ma'am.
okay, so I will also give a link for that one. Kaya ingon ko no na maghatag kog link pero wala pa di ay ko nakahatag.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so kato lang, and just check your mole okay, for the next 2 activities. Okay?
Excuse me, ma'am. Okay ra lang pa,
Okay.
ma'am. Kaya plot ang substitute sa copy filter, ma'am. Wala man dyan mapalitan, ma'am. Ngita ka, pero way mapalitan.
Okay. So, cheesecloth or kanang kanang like marag kanang cotton ni something or kanang sako sa herina kakuan mo anak class kung wala. Okay. So, pwede ra kung wala mo coffee filter. Okay, mag-improvise lang mo. So, then you just edit your videos na lang dayon.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay, Ronald. Okay.
Nag-try mo sa to experiment mo ba tapos nag-video sa mga filter niya ang tubig kay Google kaya po dapat video ang tubig mo okay ra katon sa bit na kaya ang process ang importante.
Okay, class. Actually, kung hugaw ang tubig, murag na ay something kulang. siguro kulang og activated charcoal. Try daw ninyo og add og activated charcoal class. Is that in the video akong i-check, no? So, kanang activated charcoal can be obtained from your uling. Kanang uling bitaw nga bagol.
Yes, ma'am. Saluan na ng acid or bilal. Talo, bilal.
Come again.
I mean, ipahis pa siya muna mga charcoal bago makuha.
So, pwede ra siya katong uli nga pure or kanang sa coconut shell class, pwede ra na niyo ground, finely ground.
Kaya din pagkabenta sa mga aquarium store, good ma'am. Parang activated charcoal mga ginagamit sa mga filter ng isda, yung mga ginagamit. Meron yata.
Okay, so your water should come clear. Kay maulaw mo sa video class kung dili pa clear ang inyong water. Okay, so as much as possible, no? Then, kay maumang to ang ato ang purpose na mawala ang brown color sa water.
Okay po, ma'am.
Okay, so thank you for all your inquiries and concerns. So mao-open na ang purpose sa ato ang meet so that you can ask questions and if you have some clarifications.
Ma'am, dapat tayo final exam, ma'am? Or wala na, ma'am?
Okay. The department will give one final exam. Okay, so for me, ang requirement will be the activities that we pass in MOLE. Okay, then you have you should know VLAB simulation and a video. So then, let's wait. Kanus ang departmental exam na dayon for this course.
Tingin, ma'am.
Okay, class. So, okay.
Pinusang due date sa video, ma'am. Itong sa filtration.
Okay, so before the deadline for the submission of grades class, so I guess the deadline is January 15 pa man. So you have ample time to do your video pa.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Ay, ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Clarify lang po ito, ma'am. Next meeting, ma'am, live meeting, yapan ta, ma'am.
Okay, so next meeting, dili na ta mag meet sa Google Meet. Okay, because the next two activities class kina-discuss na nato gamay. Okay, am I correct? Nakadiscuss na ko gamay og Bunsen burner ba last time katong nag-show ko og video? Naka-show ba ko ato diri sa class?
Yes, ma'am, naka-show, ma'am.
Okay, so kato lang. Okay? So, dili sa ta mag-meet next week. So, you do all your activities on our schedule if possible. Kay mag-post na lang ko dito sa ato or sa MOLE for our activities.